Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Google wants to bring you into the Pixel family and thinks you'll want to stay. The tech giant is offering Pixel Pass, which for as little as $45 a month will get you Google's latest and greatest phone every 2 years, along with repairs or replacements, Google One with 200 gigabytes of cloud storage, YouTube Premium and YouTube Music Premium, and Google Play Pass for games. Product Manager Chris Breithaupt.
Depending on which device you buy and which whether you buy it from Google Store or Google Fi, you can save upward of $400 over 24 months.
Google Fi subscribers can save $5 a month off their service plan as well. If the math makes sense to you, and it does sound like a pretty good deal for many, there's more info at store.google.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.